Look who decided to show up.
Rebecca, I'm so sorry I'm late. I got stuck in traffic.
Right, let's hurry up and decide what we want to eat. I'm starving.
I'm so hungry too. I'm ready to pig out.
I am going to eat so much as well. I always do when I eat out.
Good, we haven't eaten out for a while. Let's treat ourselves. Everything looks so good, I could polish off this whole menu.
I could eat everything on this menu too.
Should we get something to snack on?
Yes, please. Shall we get the French toast?
No, I can't. I'm trying to cut out sugar from my diet.
I thought you said we should treat ourselves today.
I suppose one sweet treat won't hurt.
I really need a cup of coffee.
I think I'll just get a lemon water. I'm trying to cut down on coffee.
Right, I think I'm ready to order.
Me too.
That was quick.
Let's dig in.
How good was the French toast?
It was amazing. It was worth every bit of sugar.
I hope our main courses come out just as quick.
I'm sure it will.
This tastes delicious.
It's so good.
This cafe has gotten so much better ever since they refurbished it.
It really has. This place will be seeing more of me. We have to eat up if we want to make it to the cinema in time.
Don't worry, I can wolf this down in 5 seconds.